Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Naturphobia. Naturphobia is a channel which displays you awesome sceneries of nature, all the hills and mountains. You see a beautiful road through the mountains, and next you can see a mountainous road. Then you see a very good looking coconut tree. A very good looking coconut tree. Sunbeam peeps through the leaves of coconut tree. You see a very much serene canal where the water flows, and beside the canal there are trees. You see a rainforest where rain sound is almost relaxing. You have a nice look at the relaxing nature. Relaxing nature, you see, you will be relaxed. You will be relaxed if you watch this video. Then comes a very beautiful crossway road from the slope of the hill to the top of mountains, and it gives you a awesome nature view to the viewers, to the audience. You'll be really relaxed. Then you find a sea beach scenery. Sea beach is almost serene, but the sound of waves gives you a very much serene environment. You will have a very peach. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.